It is another beautiful day. My name is Raphael. This channel is for the purpose of financial education and for more comprehensive analysis about stocks, index fund, bonds, ETFs, and other investment opportunities. I think you should subscribe to this channel. Welcome to my channel. Grab a cuppa. Of course, I mean a cup of tea, and then subscribe. I'm here today to talk about the latest development concerning new EV car. At the just concluded New Day in Shanghai and Santa Clara, California on January 9th, 2021, NIO and NVIDIA announced that the automaker has selected the Nvidia drive technology to produce the chip for its EV automated driving capabilities, or AI, if you like. It is indeed good news, I will say. And then stay tuned for more information about other latest development. It is very interesting. You would like to hear about it. Meanwhile, I'd like to address the issue of battery pack. And if you check all my previous videos, like the new battery swap, deal or no deal, and many more, you will realize that I often stress the importance of super energetic battery as a key electric component needed to enhance the performance of an EV car. Why? I think you want to ask. Okay, stay with me. You see, all other components of electric cars will derive power from the battery pack to function effectively. And then the EV requires a robust and effective battery power to cover an extended mileage range. And these key metrics explain why the battery is the most expensive component of an EV car, meaning a high performance battery pack and at a reduced price. Let me repeat that, at a reduced price is an effective management strategy, a main selling point for all EV cars. And new management understood this concept. Consequently, NIO's battery tech continue to evolve with time. What do I mean? Okay, let me break it down. NIO first started with 70 kilowatt battery in 2018, then introduced 84 kilowatt in 2019, and most recently 100 kilowatt versions in late 2020. Why the 70 kilowatt and 100 kilowatt covers an NEDC range more than 500 kilometers, which is 311 miles, and more than 700 kilometers, which is 435 miles respectively. And a very unique or cool thing about new battery strategy, known as BAR, is that all the new cars are designed so that users can upgrade easily to higher battery capabilities. And to inform you, NIO announced another groundbreaking upcoming battery for its electric car during the NIO Day recently. The new 150 kilowatt battery pack, consisting of ultra high energy density solid state cells. And according to NIO management, the 150 kilowatt battery should be able to cover a distant mileage of more than 1,000 kilometers, which is 620 miles NEDC on a single charge by fourth quarter of 2022, when it will be available. Meanwhile, according to a recent report, NIO said it will speed up the development of battery swapping stations next year, with nearly 1 new station added per day. I think you want to know what this means. Okay, stay tuned. Well, it means the subsequent swapping station NIO will now build will involve lower construction costs and contain more batteries than that of the existing one. Question is whether battery swapping station is a good idea. Of course, yes. It reduces stress and hours for car owners, and it is a good selling point for new EVs. Meanwhile, NIO has now pushed the boundaries with the the development of the ET Sedan model, though yet to be launched. Well, perhaps you want to know about the configuration of this car. The sedan. Then stay tuned. You see, according to report, the ET7 is expected to be a very comfortable car for long distance travel. It has smart air suspension, heating, ventilation, and massage as standard on all seats. It comes with a glass roof, a very modern and advanced dashboard with HUD as standard. However, if you like to ask me, I will say the most advanced feature of the sedan is the highly advanced autonomous driving tech, including many state-of-the-art solutions like the 11.8MP cameras, LiDAR, and ADAM, a new supercomputing system. Okay. Perhaps you are wondering about the word ADAM. In that case, let me explain it. You see, ADAM signifies a major achievement by NIO in bringing automotive intelligence and autonomous driving to market safely and reliably. What does it mean? Okay, to let you know, ADAM is the code name of the chip produced by Nvidia for NIO EV and for NIO's next generation EVs, like the ET Sedan, and it will feature the latest AI-enabled capabilities. And then, according to report, the chip is the world's highest performance AV and robotic processor. Okay. Well, though some have argued that this chip will consume more power, mostly because Nvidia chips are known to be power sucker, power hungry. Well, I leave that to the experts to judge, and if any of my audience know, please write in the comment section below. Meanwhile, to inform you, the new NIO scalable supercomputer chip on a chip family delivers an unprecedented 254 trillions of operations per second. Wow, bravo. If you ask me, I would say très bien. Pratique, as the Dutchman will say. That said, now let's take a look at NIO's report card. Well, according to the latest full year report, 2020 report, the company achieved new records for monthly and quarterly deliveries. Annual delivery reached 43,728 vehicles in 2020. Okay, let us look at the breakdown. NIO delivered more than 7,000 vehicles in December 2020. NIO also delivered 17,350 vehicles in the 3 months ended 2020, an increase of 11% year over year. NIO delivered 43,728 vehicles in 2020 in total, an increase of 112.6% year over year. And then cumulative deliveries of ES8, ES6, and ECS as of December 31, 2020 reached 75,641. If you ask me, I say this is a positive development for NIO. And the CEO said these results are attributable to the growing recognition of premium brand, the competitive and compelling products and services. It doesn't get better than that. Meanwhile, if you like to know the impact of all these latest development or news, if you like, shortly afterwards, NIO Day, the stock skyrocket. It reached all-time high. Well, let me explain this for those who do not know how to read this chart. This is a bullish momentum. You see the 20 moving average above the 50 moving average on the upward trend. Well, it's going to test various support and resistance level. Is this normal? Yes. Why? Because stocks do not travel on a straight line. It goes impulsive and corrective patterns. So you should expect this. It's going to breathe in, breathe out. Well, and if it goes too parabolic, then you should expect significant drop back again before it continues the journey. Well, is it a buy if you ask me? Well, I would say yes. And if you have been watching my previous videos, you will realize that I'm very bullish with this stock. Well, if you want to get in, I will say wait for a pullback, which is inevitable. Then buy. However, please do your research. And then here's the bonus for staying with me up to now. The abbreviation NEDC stands for, and I quote, New European Driving Cycle, end quote, and refers to exhaust emission and fuel consumption measurement carried out on a test rig. And then I highly recommend my videos, my other videos about NIO. You will realize, watch it, and you will realize the hidden potential of this growth company. And you will see all the clips at the end of this video. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.